Module objective: to develop a deep understanding of how music is structured in time by exploring the foundational concepts of rhythm, meter, and time signatures. This module will equip you with the ability to recognize, read, notate, and interpret rhythmic patterns and meters, both simple and complex, across various musical styles and cultural contexts. Module overview: in music, rhythm is the heartbeat, the organizing principle that defines the flow and energy of a piece. Without rhythm, music would be a chaotic collection of pitches without structure or motion. In this module, you will be guided through the concept and role of rhythm in music, the construction and notation of note values and rests, understanding meter and its types, simple, compound, complex, irregular, the purpose and interpretation of time signatures, how to count, subdivide, and feel rhythm, cultural and genre-specific rhythmic practices. By the end of this module, you should be able to confidently identify time signatures, count beats accurately, and interpret rhythmic notation in written music. Corresponding rests: each note value has a rest symbol to indicate silence of the same duration. Whole rest, 4 beats. Silence, half rest, 2 beats silence. Quarter rest, 1 beat silence. Eighth rest, half a beat silence. 16th rest, a quarter of a beat silence, dotted notes. Adding a dot increases a note's value by half of its original duration. Dotted half note equals 3 beats, 2 plus 1. Dotted quarter note equals 1.5 beats, 1 plus 1 half, 0.5. Third beat, subdivision, and tempo beat. The basic unit of time in music, a steady pulse. Subdivision, breaking the beat into smaller equal parts. A quarter note subdivides into 2/8. An eighth subdivides into 2/16. Tempo, speed of the beat, indicated in beats per minute, BPM. Largo, very slow, 40 to 60 beats per minute. Andante, walking pace, 76 to 108 beats per minute. Allegro, fast and lively, 120 to 168 beats per minute. Presto, very fast, 168 to 200 plus beats per minute. Tempo gives music its mood. A slow tempo feels calm or somber, while a fast tempo feels energetic. Fourth, understanding meter. Meter is the recurring pattern of strong and weak beats. It provides the framework for rhythm. Meters are grouped into measures, or bars, which are separated by bar lines on the staff. Types of meter: dot. Simple meter: dot. Each beat is divided into 2 equal parts. Common examples: dot, dot, dot. 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarter note beats per measure. Compound meter: dot. Each beat is divided into 3 equal parts. Common examples: 6/8, 9/8, 12/18. 6/8 equals 0.8, 2 dotted quarter note beats per measure, each dividing into 3/8. Complex, irregular meter. Meters that don't divide evenly into 2 or 3 examples. 5/4, 7/8, 11/8. These often group into mixed beat patterns, e.g. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 plus 2. Fifth, time signatures. A time signature appears at the beginning of a piece and looks like a fraction. Top number: how many beats per measure. Bottom number: what note gets the beat. Common time signatures: 4, 4, common time. 4 quarter note beats per bar, 3/4. 3 quarter note beats per bar, waltz time. 6 eighth note beats per bar, grouped in twos. 2/2, cut time. 2 half note beats per bar, unusual signatures, 5/4, heard in Dave Brubeck's Take 5. 7/8, often found in Balkan and progressive rock music, 6. Cross-cultural rhythms and polyrhythms. Different cultures interpret rhythm and meter differently. African music often uses polyrhythms, where multiple rhythms, like 3 against 4, occur simultaneously. Indian music uses tala rhythmic cycles with complex patterns. Middle Eastern and Balkan music commonly use odd meters like 7/8 or 9/8. Latin and Afro-Cuban music introduces clave patterns, syncopation, and crossbeats. Learning to recognize and appreciate these rhythms expands musical fluency and creativity. Practical application reading, rhythmic patterns with accuracy, tapping, clapping, and playing rhythms, feeling downbeats and offbeats, understanding how rhythm creates musical tension and release, writing your own rhythms using proper notation. Conclusion: rhythm is what makes music feel alive. Understanding time signatures, note durations, and meters equips you with the tools to interpret, notate, and internalize musical timing. As we progress to melody and harmony, your grasp of rhythm will become even more critical in coordinating notes with time.